Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off the Vande Bharat train. The program was held in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The Prime Minister travelled from Gandhinagar to Kalapur railway station in Ahmedabad in Vande Bharat train. Vande Bharat train will transport passengers fast between Gandhinagar and Mumbai. This train has 16 coaches. 1128 passengers can travel seated. These trains are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities like aeroplanes. Vande Bharat train also enhanced passenger safety features. It is equipped with Kavach technology which prevents two trains from colliding. 180-degree rotating seats are installed. There are platform side cameras and on the outside of the coach and cameras on the rear. With this, the pilots can know what is happening next to and behind the coach with the help of these cameras. It consumes 30% less electricity compared with conventional trains. It also has Wi-Fi and 3 hours battery backup. Thank you.